So, sir, how you are doing the classes online?
Sir, actually we started offline, sir.
Oh,
September
started.
1st onwards, yes, sir.
Okay, 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 okay,
September 1st onwards started, sir, on offline.
okay, okay. So, sir, are you going to share any PPT?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So I made you co-host. So now I think you can share your screen.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So not now, sir. I will ask.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So just now we finished one session, so that's why 10 minutes break.
No issue, sir. Take your own time, sir.
Okay, sir.
Take your own time. Yes.
Sir, shall we start?
Sure, sir, sure.
Okay. So, very good afternoon to all the participants for this special session on stress management. We have with us Dr. V. Duraisamy as the expert speaker for the session. Before he start his talk, let me take the privilege to introduce him. Dr. Duraisamy is currently working as an associate professor and head in charge in the Department of Yoga, Tamil Nadu Physical Education and Sports University, where he joined in 2007. He completed his PhD in physical education with specialization in yoga from Manonmaniam Sundaran University, Tirunelveli in 2011. He also has an MSc degree in yoga from the same university. Till now, he has guided 8 PhD scholars, 80 MPhil scholars, and 480 MSc scholars. And he has around 48 plus research articles to his credit. He has also served as organizing secretary for 2 national level workshops, 7 webinars, 1 FDP, and 1 international webinar. He used to take personal yoga classes of Dr. Rosaiya, who was the Honorable Governor of Tamil Nadu from 31st August 2011 to 1st September 2016. He also take personal yoga classes for various IAS officers and ministers. So with this small introduction, I hand over the session to you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. So good evening to one and all present here. Sir, all our students are faculty members, sir. So orientation.
Sir, most of them are faculty members.
Acha, so fine, sir. So very good evening to one and all present here. So first of all, thank you so much choosing me as a resource person in this occasion, sir. So I thank the authority of the Indian Institute of Information Technology that in Melakotayu in Chennai. So what I'm going to take that regarding stress, yoga for stress management. This only I'm going to take that. So number of maximum people are faculty members. It's so fine to see you. So this yoga for nowadays is a need for the teachers and professors, the administrative people. It's essential for that. Like how the food and water, like the yoga also is in our life. So everybody, sir, think about that. What is yoga? Yoga means it's a posture or breathing or it's a meditations like that. Everybody, sir, think. So really, what is that yoga? Or it's only for mantra chanting or like that, which is related to some the particular religions or particular communities for some. But are thinking like that. But nowadays, the past 10 years, it's changed. So fine, let us start with that very, but usually I start with the prayer, but kindly, my beloved participants, just to close your eyes for 10 to 15 seconds and watch your breath. It's not a prayer, it's observation of yourself. Just sit erect and close your eyes and watch your breath. It means watch your prana. Gently close your eyes, my dear friends. Kindly give the awareness to your breath. Concentrate your breath. Very normal breath. So very slowly, gently, mildly open your eyes. The very peace manner. Thank you so much. Fine. So I can share my PPT, sir, with the permission of that, please, sir. Sanjay, sir, I can share. Can I share my PPT?
Yes, yes, sure, sir. Sure.
So this is that yoga for stress management. Yoga, already I told you what is that. It's
Sir,
like, sir, please.
yeah, it is not visible. Can you stop sharing and share it again?
Okay, fine. Now it's okay.
Hmm, is it visible participants? No, they are saying. Uh,
What happened? I don't know that.
Sir, you have opened the PPT.
Yes, sir. I opened that.
Okay.
Once again, sir, I can should close my PPT and again I open and try.
Okay.
Just a minute.
Just click on the PPT, sir. After clicking on the share screen, uh, it will ask different windows. So you click on the PPT,
Okay, sir.
then it will show, I guess.
Now it's okay, sir.
Yes, yes, sir. Yeah.
Fine.
Just click on the that is presentation mode below. Sir, click on slideshow on the top. On the top, sir, home button is there, na? Then insert design on the top. Sir, on the top, home is there, sir.
Yes, sir.
Home, insert, design, then slideshow is there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, slideshow from beginning.
Fine, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Perfect. Yeah.
Thank you,
You
sir.
can continue, sir.
Thank you. So yoga for stress management. Yoga first. I'll talk about the yoga, and I talk about the stress. What is that? Really, yoga means very simple. Sir, my time is up to 5:30, na, sir, or
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Yoga means it's a conscious soul. Yoga means posture. Yoga means breathing. Yoga means meditation, etc. Fine, okay. But ultimate yoga means what? It's a conscious of each and every action. That is yoga. So what do you mean by the conscious? I have the awareness of my work. I have the conscious of my work without any struggle. My 100% involvement in my work, either speech or driving the bike or having the food or taking the classes or any other professions. This is nothing but yoga. So how to improve the conscious? So if you have the conscious of each and every seconds, you can avoid the negative things, negativity. You can avoid the bad things. You can deny the bad things. You can deny the negativities. So the one information I want to say that one day, around 24 hours, more than 92,000 of thoughts arising in our mind. More than 92,000 of thoughts arising in our mind. The out of 92,000, it means 100% of thoughts. Out of 100%, 99% it's a negative thoughts. Because of the environment, because of our lifestyle, etc. I talk about the normal peoples. That's why we need the conscious of each and every actions. So this is nothing but yoga. So how to improve the conscious? How to improve our action? The daily morning half an hour or 45 minutes, if you are practicing yoga, it will help. It can lead the 23 hours. How is possible, sir? 1 hour practices, how it can lead 23 hours, sir? How is possible, sir? Absolutely possible. A small example, I am telling that the yoga can give the awareness of your eating. The yoga can avoid the overeating. The yoga can avoid the in dinner, early time dinner. Yoga can give the awareness of the early time dinner, like 7 o'clock, 7:30, you have a dinner. The yoga can give the awareness of you. The yoga can give the awareness of your nature of job. Nothing but the yoga, ultimate yoga is who am I? I should realize myself. I am who? Here I am a resource person in my department as an associate professor. So what is that my role? I should do the needful for my own department students. This is that who am I? I realize myself. In my house, who am I? I am a husband of my wife and I am a father of my 2 daughters. What is the role of as a father? What's the role of my as a husband? I can fulfill that. So this is that yoga, my beloved participants, my friends. What is the stress? Everybody's talk about the stress. In your mind, in one corner places, in one deep corner places, in the end of that, it means one, like one big bowl is there. In right bottom of that, one thinking is one reminder or like that, etc. is there. That is a stress. Sometime it will come and affect your mind. It come sometime come and it disturb your mind. It recall your mind. It's there. It give the fearness. Stress, positive stress is there, negative stress is there. Positive means, for example, positive, I have some very very much responsibility. I can fulfill that. What the friends is there, participants is there. I should engage the people's body, breath, and mind. This is my responsibility. Some fear, it's a positive fear. So what do you mean by negativity? Negative fear. In the negative fear, it can affect your work, affect your conscience, affect your action. So the yoga can balance the positive and negative. The yoga can balance the good and bad. So that is that in yoga, it's a need to balance the stress management. Stress, repetition of the thinking. Repetition of the thinking. Doubtful mind. Repetition of the stress means it's again and thinking. It's a doubtful mind. Fearless mind. It can lead. My beloved friends, stress can lead constipation. In Tamil, we are telling malachikkal. It can lead the constipation. If you have the constipation, definitely you have very soon you can get the back pain. So this is that's why the yoga is essential for that. To balance the stress. So here I given that the body, mind, and life. General term, yoga means the yoga word. The yoga word, exact meaning of yoga word is to join. What the join? To join the body and mind. To join the body and mind. Sir, what is the necessary to join the body and mind, sir? In scientifically, we are telling neuromuscular coordination or psychomotor coordinations like that, etc. What is the necessary to join the body and mind, sir? Previously, I told that it's a perfection of our each and every action. Sorry to say that now that we are in the very critical situations, we have to aware of the three things, the three issues. What are the three issues? Major issue is everywhere I am giving the speech, these three things I should tell that please be aware, be conscious of these three things. One is the cancer. Second is the psychological disorders. Third is the infertility and impotency. Be aware of, be conscious of these three things. Cancer, psychological disorder, infertility and impotency. In Tamil, we are telling that putru noi, mana noi, psychological disorder, it's mana noi, kulandai inmai, infertility and impotency, either male or female. That these three issues, there is no natural medicine, my beloved friends. No medicines. If you go for that artificial medicine, yes, infertility, impotency, medicine is there. You just think about the child, health of the child. Natural birth is different, artificial birth is different. Example, normal delivery and cesarean. See the differences of the females. Once a cesarean means the female, how much suffer, my beloved friends. She is unable to carry the weight, unable to lift the weight. How long? So much. Once cesarean means next baby also cesarean. Some exception is there. One of my PhD scholar, first she is now US. First child is a cesarean, second child normal birth. How is possible? Is possible. An exception is there. So be aware of these three things: cancer, psychological disorder, infertility and impotency. So these three you should overcome if you have the yoga. It means if you have the awareness of to join the body and mind. If I know my body and mind can be work together, definitely I have the health conscious. I have the health conscious. I have the mental conscious. I have the social conscious. So this is that's why it need that. That's why I given body, mind and life. More than 50% of the work, my beloved friends, more than 50% of the work below the, not below the hip region, above the hip region. Once again, I repeat, our work, our lifestyle, more than 50% of our lifestyle, our work lifestyle, it means our work, like taking the food and taking the classes or work, any other work, maximum it's a mental based work. It means above the hip region. That's why piles complaint, constipation issues, hernia issues. Hernia in Tamil we are telling kudal irakkam solvaanga. Hernia issues. The intestine comes from the normal position. Small corrections of your lifestyle. Small corrections, very small correction of your lifestyle. Avoid the Western toilet, enough. Sir, I have the digestive issue, sir. Kindly avoid the Western toilet, enough. Fine. So the body and mind. Mind, what is the, I told, sir, 50% of work above the hip region. So it maximum work based on the mind. Sir, how is the mind, sir? What is the role of mind in our life? Mind is like a monkey. Not a monkey, it's a drunken monkey. That's why in Tamil one proverb, Kallunda தேல் கொட்டின குரங்கினை போல் உடையது மனிதனினுடைய மனது. Our mind is like a drunken monkey. Not a drunken monkey. The one scorpion bite that monkey. That monkey drank the alcohol. So this is that our mind. We are unable to balance the mind, not control. Unable to balance the mind. The great warrior Alexander, Mahavir Jain, Tamil word, Mahavir Alexander, Mahavir Jain, who is a great person. The great warrior Alexander ruled the world. The Mahavir Jain ruled himself. Ruled the world is easy, but ruled myself, it's very much difficult. That's why mind is like a monkey. So you have to balance your mind. Sir, how, sir, the mind is going here, there, etc., etc., etc. Now, sometimes the mind is in US, sometimes the mind is in Sri Lanka. Sometimes I say mind is in our Vice Chancellor's chamber, like that. Our authorities are our colleagues, or now my mind is in the both daughters or my wife. Because in my body, each cells, tissues have the toxins, undigestible food. Toxins are like a poison. I told you hernia issues. If you have the constipation issue, the intestine, if you give the pressure, when you go for the toilet, if you give the toilet is not coming, sorry, in some word I should, in the practically I am taking the classes. This word I should not use, but practically I am taking that, just keep in your mind. So if you are going to using the Western toilet, if you give the pressure, the intestine should come out from the normal level, normal portion. That's why I am telling that. So because of the toxins, undigestible things, our own body have 600 hospitals. 600 hospitals. Night 11 o'clock, if you are taking chocolate, okay, we digest, no issues. So don't take chocolate, I have to take rest. Since morning 6 o'clock to up to 11 o'clock, I'm working. Now also I'm unable to sleep. Your heart and your intestine and your liver is telling that, no. It will adjust. So that's why it's toxins are like a poison. What is a toxins? Undigestible food, untimed food, overeating. Any kind of issues, even cancer or psychological disorder or any kind of issues, first you should focus your digestion and respiration. Digestion is very, very important. And respiration is very, very important. It means the digestive system. It means the eliminations. And the respirations, respiratory disorders. So much of respiratory, like asthma, wheezing, sinus, etc., etc. Some allergic. So initially, you should focus your abdomen and the chest region, so lung region. Remaining, everything is behind that. I told you that's why 70% of work above the hip region, as well as mind related. So much of people are depressed. If suppose Sanjit Naik sir is asking me, sir, how you are taking classes? It's a meaningful, sir. You said you belongs yoga department for 14 years. How you are using the word, sir? Such a thing, sir. Okay, I should accept. Sorry, sir. I change my teaching attitude. I change my methodology, sir. How you can say to me, sir? This is the one of the main reason for imbalance of our life. My mind is unable to accept only one life. All our faculty members sir said that only one life. One thing I can tell, in so much of working environment in our institutions or some other play companies, or we are adjust with our subordinate, our authorities, our colleagues, or etc etc etc. Why can't you adjust with your wife? Why can't you adjust with your husband? Adjust first, adjust and accept your wife, adjust and accept your husband, everything in your hand. Sorry. Here I given that. Mind, I talk about mind. Above the 50% of the peoples are animal characters. Sir, what is the animal characters? In between the four wall, when you alone in the four wall, you ask yourself, who you are, how I am. When I alone in the four wall, between the four wall, nobody's with me. That time you ask yourself who you are. How is your mind? What are the things if you are doing? My teacher said that, always telling that. The beloved students, when you are busy, be free. When you are free, be busy. You make it you as a busy. You make it as a free. This is that. So animal everybody's have the animal characters. But we should restrict, we should stop, we should control, we should balance. We never give a chance to come up. Because of why the animal characters? Because of the food and the lifestyle. Conscious of your sleep. Sir, sir rightly said that I have an opportunity to take the classes of higher up VVIP peoples. VVIP peoples means that Indian Administrative Services peoples. Like Chief Secretary rank, that kind of officers cadres. I take it 1-to-1, myself and that officer. Very simple things. They never waste the words. They never waste the energy. Each and every word is important. It's a meaningful. Unnecessarily, they never waste a simple, even though not raise the hands also. That is the differences. So because of the food and the lifestyle, our lifestyle is very important. That it's over the night or over 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, you are unable to regulate, you are unable to balance. Impossible. It will take some time, 6 months to 1 year or 2 years. What is, sir? Here, what do you mean by lifestyle, sir? Sir, you talk about stress, sir. You talk about yoga. Why you talk about the lifestyle, sir? Why you talk about the lifestyle? So, yeah, if I'm always telling to my students, I'm giving the yoga practices for 2 hours. If you practice yoga practices 2 hours, if your morning your practices or evening, I am giving practices for 2 hours. Night, if you are taking 2 or 3 borota and chicken, means your total practices it's waste. Sir, the yoga persons should not take such kind of food. The healthy person should not take such a kind of food. Yes. That's why he told our lifestyle is like that. The sports person can take. You know that in the Coimbatore market, you know that. See, there the Coimbatore market employs night workers. They are taking the rice meals, they are taking night. You just to check the hotel, they are taking the meals in the night, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Their lifestyle is different. Our lifestyle is different. I talk about the normal people working like that. Normal people I'm talking about. So, and as well as lifestyle, everybody's want the instant, immediate benefit. Everybody's want the immediate benefit. I want immediate. I can't wait. 7:30. I ordered. What is that in Swiggy or like that? Such a things. Oh, now Swiggy is like our fast track or a cab. I can book the cab. Olo is not available. Okay, you can go fast track. Fast track not available. One more thing like that, etc., 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 etc. Why can't you wait? Why you be hurry for each and everything? That's why I give a not ready to wait. Stress and depression are the major problem. Ego. I told infertility, impotency, cancer, and psychological disorder. These three is the major things. You are real with your spouse. Are you real with your spouse? You are you unreal with your spouse? You have the ego. No, I am a professor. In house also I am a professor. What is the ego? क्या ego है आपके पास? So this is the lifestyle. That is entirely different. This is entirely different. What are the emotional disturbances? These emotional disturbances, it's lead the stress. These emotional disturbances, it lead the stress. Ultimate, the spiritual health can balance the emotions. Sir, I told you, suppose the organizing secretary, sir, scold me. If I have the balance of emotions, I can balance myself. If I am unable to balance my emotions, I am also scolded. One thing I can tell you, what is the meaning or exact correct meaning of anger? Correct meaning of angry. Exact meaning. You punish yourself, you give the punishment to yourself for others' mistakes. You punish yourself, you are giving punishment to yourself for others' mistakes. இன்னொருவர் செய்யக்கூடிய தவறுக்கு உங்களுக்கு நீங்க தண்டனை கொடுத்துக்கிறீங்க. This is that exact definition of angry. Why you scold? Work style is different. I talk about the normal things. So the emotional is one of the major thing in our life. What is that? Fear, anger, depression, sleep, insecurity, etc., etc., etc. This and all lead the stress, induce the stress. Stress means, already I told you, repetition of the thinking. Repetition of the thinking. So ultimate medicine is, if you have the spiritual health, to balance the emotions. Sir, how can I improve the spiritual health, sir? How can I improve the spiritual health? It's if you do the prayer. Either in Christianity, fever prayer. There is no medicine. Fever prayer, headache prayer. In Islam also that special prayer. What is the special prayer? 3:30 early morning, 3:30 they are doing the prayer. The prayer only balance the emotions. Sir, I am not believe the God. I am not believe the God, sir. You should believe your parents. You pray your parents. You trust your parents. Trust your job. This is that one of the good thing for to balance the emotions. Behavioral symptoms, psychological imbalances, behavioral symptoms. Told repetition again and again and thinking, eating more. I have the stress. I unable to concentrate. Just taking the food. Teeth grinding, etc. Those who you are sitting there, you check your shoulder. The shoulder is a little bit. You just keep the shoulder down. If the shoulder is up, means you have the stress. You check. You see. You check your spine, neck region, back of the neck region. Keep your spine. Keep your palm here. You keep on your spine. That means back of the neck. Little warm is there. That you have the stress. Yeah, your both teeth should be joined, always joined together. In the both teeth, you have the stress. So something I given that this is depends upon the person's limit. Yeah, now come to the yoga for positive or overcome the stress. The 8 limbs of yoga. In the 8 limbs of yoga, first thing is social discipline. Everybody are thinking about the yoga means it's related to some religion, some community, etc., etc. Definitely no. The 5 pillars of Islam. Kindly trust yoga, believe yoga. The 5 pillars of Islam. What is that? Daily 5 times you can do the prayer. Help to the others. Life once you can go to Mecca. During the Ramadan period, keep the fasting. Like that. This is so everything have the yogic principles. Everything have the yogic principles. The 10 commandments of Christianity. Sir, I can answer the chart, sir, now or no need, sir? So much of chart, I think so. I'm unable
No,
to.
sir, it is not for you, sir. You please continue.
Okay, sorry, sir. It blinked, that's why I'm asking that.
Yeah, yeah.
Fine. Okay, fine. What is the 10 commandments of Christianity? What is the 10 commandments? You should not desire others' wife. So much of issues. So much of issues because of the illegal contact. 6 days I have to work. 6 days I have to work. It's a karma yoga. 7th day I have to do the prayer. It means I can go to the church. Every religion have the yogic principles. In yoga, first principle is ahimsa. It's a non-violence. It's a non-violence. One small, only 1 minute, a small story I can tell that regarding that. One honey bee or normal bee, not a honey bee, a normal bee is moving here and there. The bee's mother, kindly listen, my dear friends. The bee's mother said, "Beta, my dear son, you should not go and sit on that velvet. It means it's like a polished paper. You see the polished paper is there, my dear son. Please, son, in your whole life, son, you never go there, my dear son. Please, son, don't go there." After a few days, the mother expired, passed away. The son is living there. It means the bee is living there. The bee is watching. The bee's other friends are going here and there and just to sit on that the polished paper and coming there. The bee is thinking that, oh, my mother said like that. But see, my friends, how much enjoying and sitting there, how much enjoying and see, how much enjoying and how much, so much happiness of my friends. They are, my friends are sitting on that polished paper, nothing happened. My friends are enjoying that. Why I can't? First time or second time, it in the B, just to move and touch the paper and come back. Touch the paper and come back. Left leg, keep and again come back. And right leg, keep and come back. Nothing happened. The bee was so happy, so nice. Nothing happened. My mother simply said that I wasted my life. Oh, how much is so happy. I touched that paper, so nice. Then after a few days, the bee was sitting on that paper, polished paper, and oh, what a so happy, so nice. He forgot and slept on the paper. He forgot and slept on the paper. Then the bee wake up. The bee wake up. The bee, what is that? The one leg or that some one part of the organ to paste, it stick on the paper. It stick on the paper. The bees try to come out from the paper. It's impossible. If you come out means the bee can lose any one organ. Or like in the Tamil Seragal, like that. What is that? I stopped the story. What is that? The paper is, the polished paper is alcohol, smoking, illegal contact, etc., 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 which is not in our life. The bee is ours. Now, now the problem is not coming, everything is fine. When the problem is coming, we are unable to overcome and unable to come out from that. The yoga, why this time I can interfere the yoga, correlate the yoga. The yoga can balance the such a things. Yoga can say that. Yoga can give the command to you. This is bad. Don't go there. Don't go there. So that's why the 8 stages, Saint Patanjali given that. 8 stages. 8 limp. The first thing is nothing but social discipline. I talk about the yoga for stress management. Social discipline. How I am in the society, how I am in my office, how I am in my family, how I am in my parents, how I am in my colleagues, my friends, etc. This is nothing but yoga. Nothing but yoga. In the first, the starting is the first basic, not a posture, not a breathing, not to close the eyes and do the meditation, nothing. First thing is social discipline. Next, second is self-discipline. Self. Take path, etc., etc., it's come. Brahmacharya, etc., 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 it will come that. I should not steal the others' money, etc. That is, it will take some time. The final is samadhi I given. 8th stage is a samadhi I given. The samadhi is nothing but to realize myself. I realize myself. What I realized, my beloved friends, we are a renter, my dears. We are a renter in the world. This is my chair, my office, this is my department. No, just only 16 or 17 years. After that, anybody's come and occupy a chair. I have the own house. How long your own house? Only 30 or 40 years your own house. After that, our child is, our daughter or son is going to occupy that. So we are a renter. That's why this is the realization. Why should you angry with? Why should misunderstand? Why should ego with others? This is the yoga. This only the yoga. This only the yoga. Today's message. Some simple postures, some breathing practices, right attitude, suitable diet, and correct lifestyle. What is the breathing practices? Every 2 hours or 3 hours, simply you sit and inhale through the both nose, nostril, and exhale through the both nostril. 30 seconds, 1 minute, 1.5 minutes. Breathing practices. If our life is a triangle, our life is a triangle. Yes, our life is a triangle. Our life or yoga is a triangle. You should balance, you should control, or you should regulate the body. You should balance or control or regulate the body. After that only you should balance, control and regulate your mind. Sir, myself no need to practice physical practices, no need, sir. Straight away I can go for meditation, sir. No, I am healthy, sir. Straight away I can go for meditation. Impossible. Without post graduation, how is possible for a doctor of philosophy? So first regulate the body, control the body, then you can go for the breath, breathing. You can, if you are unable to control and regulate your breathing, you never control your mind, never regulate your mind. This is that triangle. So this 3 things is very important. Start from the body, then breathing, then finally go to the mind. So simple postures I give. Right attitude, suitable diet, correct lifestyle. My dear friends, always you feel hungry, my dear friends. Sir, you need conscious. You need your every action should be very perfect. Always 50% hungry, my dear friends. Hungry, sir. So, sir, I feel somewhat hungry, sir. That is good. You know that it is a common proverb for 50% food, 25% water, 25% empty. Fine. That depends upon the person. But you always feel hungry. தமிழ்ல சொல்லுவாங்க பசியோட இருந்தா மட்டும்தான் நம்ம செய்யக்கூடிய காரியங்கள் கரெக்டா இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. பசியோட இருக்கும். Always hungry, half hungry. You can get the right attitude. One more birth is there or no? We don't know that. What is sir here? What do you mean by suitable diet? What do you mean by suitable diet, sir? Sir, proper time diet is a suitable diet, sir. I told you that depends upon the lifestyle, depends upon the work style. We are taking the food in North Indian. I was there in Punjab. Always they are taking the roti only. Roti, every time they have the fruit salad or vegetable salad with the food. That is there, I think so. Some faculty member is there from Punjab, I think. And always they are drinking buttermilk. Because they are climatic conditions. What is the suitable diet? Now, first proper time food, that is a suitable diet. Not overeating, that is a suitable diet. Sir, oil food, spicy food, that later. First proper time food, not overeating. Fine. What is the exact food, sir? 2 times food is advisable, my dear friends. Sir, 3 times food, 2 times is advisable. One more time, take some sprouts, cereals, sprouts in the small bowl. Morning you can take the sprouts, cereals, boiled sprouts or cereals or pulses with the palm sugar, enough. Sir, I have the cardiac issue, sir. What I have to do? Raw coconut is advisable for cardiac issues. Breakfast is a raw coconut. Sir, raw coconut is you just to one time you take that. This is a suitable diet. What is a simple posture, sir? Sir, simple posture. In Tamil, we are telling Thopukarnam Chulwa. 3 times or 5 times walking. 365 days you can go for walking. Sir, there is no ground. I'm living in the heart of the city, sir, where I can go for. In your house itself, in your hall itself, you can do the 8 walk. Sir, 8 walk. You put your favorite music for 10 minutes. You can listen the music, not in the headphone. Now you can some far. Hear the music and do the 8 walk. Never skip even Sunday. Never skip even government holiday. Never skip and Diwali or Pongal or Durga Puja, etc., etc. This is the simple posture of your life. Everything is a 365 days. Sir, correct lifestyle. What is correct lifestyle? Never skip the breakfast. Never skip the breakfast. Never skip your sleeping. Exact after 9 p.m. Exact after 9 p.m. kindly avoid the screen. Kindly avoid the screen. Either Android cell phone or what, or laptop or television or computer, etc., etc. After 8 or 9, completely avoid the screen. I talk about the correct lifestyle. Never skip a breakfast. Before 10 o'clock, go to the bed. Early morning, take bath, my dear friends. Before breakfast, you should finish the bath. Good. But before 6 o'clock, you finish your bath. Check your heart rate. Check your blood pressure. After that, you can call me. What are the changes in your lifestyle? Yoga therapy, it's a common. What is that yoga therapy? Now yoga as a therapy. If any issue is there, chronic issues or acute issue is there, you can try for yoga. Yoga as a therapy. Definitely some changes is there, simple practices. One thing I want to tell my dear friends, once if you do the surgery in your spine, if you do the surgery in your spine, sorry, L4, L5 issue is there. If doctor are telling that I can, if you do the surgery, you can, okay. Once if you do the surgery, again, you never go for alternative option, alternative medicine. Example I'm telling. So what do you mean by, sir, therapy? Why you are telling like that? Fever is there, headache is there. The body is giving some command. Body is giving some warning to you. I am unable to work. Kindly take some rest. Kindly take some rest. But what we are doing, immediately we should stop that. It's okay, it will go. Surya Namaskar. the all nerve junctions, the all nerve junction can balance if you practice Surya Namaskar. Sir, my lifestyle, work style is different, sir. Why you are feeding such a thing, sir? It's a good things I am feeding, my dear friends. If you practice well, if you're practicing Surya Namaskar for 10 minutes or 15 minutes daily, lifelong, you no need to go to doctor. What is the exact speciality of Surya Namaskar? Exact benefit of Surya Namaskar. It balance which age category peoples. The Surya Namaskar is advisable for which age category peoples? The 12 years to 18 years. 12 years to 18 years. The transfer period. The students are searching there, which is good, everything. What are the things they are seeing that is good, they are thinking. So it balances the sex glands. Surya Namaskar ultimate benefit is it balances the sex glands. That's why it's advisable for after attain the puberty up to the 18 years. I talk about the puberty, please keep in your mind. Nowadays, the child, the kids like 8 years, 9 years, 10 years, the small child also attain the puberty. One of the main reason is broiler chicken, my beloved friends. Kindly such a things you should avoid that. Some postures I given that. Everything which is related to the abdomen. Some breathing, abdominal breathing, I told that 2 minutes just inhale and exhale. To deep breathing at least twice a day, or 2 hours once or 3 hours once you can do. Duration is 1 minute or 30 seconds or 2 minutes, like that you should do that. Or sit and do that. I taken the classes in Governor of Tamil Nadu. I given like that, sir, sit and do the practices, some practices. You just see that where you are. I'm asking the health aspect, where you are. With the permission of Sanjit sir, sir, can I give 5 to 10 minutes the practices for my participants? Sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Normal practices, very
Yes,
normal
yes.
practices. Sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But is it, I mean, how you will do it?
If possible, if they are willing, they can switch on the video. Otherwise, no issues. You can
Okay.
follow me. That is enough.
Yeah, yeah. Yes.
I am not compelled that you switch on the video. Sit erect. Sit erect, normal sit erect. Keep your feet on the floor. You check that your feet on the floor. Don't keep like that. Your feet don't keep like that. Feet on the floor. Please, my dear friends, only 2 minutes. Just I am not giving 1 hour walking. I am not giving 1 hour yoga practices. I am not telling you stand on your head. No. Just 2 minutes, normal practices. Raise your hands up. Only raise your hands up. So how I am keeping the palm should be together. Close your mouth. Very normal breath. Very normal breath. Normal inhale and exhale. Slightly, only 1 inch or ½ inch, bend right side. Don't leave the hands. There is no side effect, please. After that, you can check your breathing. Slightly bend right side, ½ inch, enough. Very normal breath. Inhale and exhale through the nose. Slightly move left. Normal breath, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Come straight. Little turn your hip right side. Turn your hip. Turn right side. Turn right side. Turn right side. Normal breath. Please, my dear friends, do it. Left. Very normal breath. Come straight. Keep your hands back. Relax. Keep your hands back and relax. Very normal breath. Close your eyes. Hands down. Please close your eyes. Observe the breath. Close your eyes. Observe the breath. Observe the mind. First, initially observe the breath, now observe the mind. Think your parents. Visualize your parents. Inside the mind, you are seeing your parents. How they are. Think positive. Any single mantras like Amen or Allah or Om or your mother name 3 times chant in your mind. Gently 5 times rub your palms. 5 times rub your palms and keep on your eyes. Keep on your eyes. Very gently, slowly open your eyes. Minimum 5 to 10 seconds you should take that for open your eyes and see your both palms. So only just 3 minutes I given, my dear friends. I engaged your body, breath and mind. So how much it changes? I sure that there is no thoughts in your mind the past 2 or 3 minutes. I restrict your thoughts. Everything is possible. Everything is possible. So I restrict the thoughts, your concentrations, your awareness, everything in what I given that. This is yoga. So the 45 minutes or 20, sir, I am very busiest person. You know, sir, how my work style. How many people are working under my guidance, under my control. There is a no wall, there is a no diagram. It means in Tamil we are telling that. No figure. There is a no wall, there is a no figure. If you are unhealthy, you can't do anything, my beloved friends. Either walking or yoga or etc. etc. Some food. You ask yourself where you are now, according to the health aspect, where you are. Sorry, my dear friends, be aware of that. Most of the cases I am seeing that cancer, psychological disorder and infertility impotence. Please aware of not only you, your family members, your friend circle also. Ask yourself where you are. Any kind of work, 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 minutes, I should for this time for my health. This time for my health, my own health. I never compromise for my health. Ask yourself where you are. Some health tips I can give. Simple lifestyle modifications produce the immense benefits. Oil bath. What is that? What is the benefit of oil bath, sir? You know that according to Ayurveda and Siddha, Vada, Pitta, Kapha, wind, hot and cold. Our body consists of wind, hot and cold. That is a Vada, means air, gastric issues. Pitta, hot, temperature is increased. Kapha, cold. If you take oil bath, it balances the three doshas. Small example, I am telling small example and proof I can show that. You go to government school student, government school, you go to private school. In government school, 500 students, private school also 500 students. In government school, you go and check that how many students are wearing specs. Maximum 20 or 30 or 40, maximum 20 or 30. You check the private school students. In one classroom itself, minimum 5 students or 10 students wearing the specs. Because of they are not applying the oil on the head. It's not a simple, one day, Sanjit sir and my beloved friend, Dr. Alagraj sir, because of that, I'm giving the speech, never like that. I'm always telling to my dear PhD scholar and students, MSc students, MPhil students, certificate is the paper. How you implement in your life. All our faculty members, all our professors, just okay, 1 hour, fine. They organized one workshop or like that. Fine, okay, fine, let me do. No, absolutely no, my dear friends. Changes from yourself. My concept is only one thing, my dear friends. Never go to doctor, enough. Never go to doctor. Sir, what I have to do, sir? Yes, every medicine have the own speciality. Allopathy means emergency. Allopathy means emergency. In emergency issues, you take medicine. Simply fever or cold or etc. etc. You are taking medicine. Why? Why you are not ready to wait for that? I told that in yoga, first principle is ahimsa, non-violence. I should not use the violence to others, either physically or verbally or while seeing, even mentally also. Not only for others, your internal organ also. Sir, today 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock only office over, sir. So much hungry, sir, night 11 o'clock, sir. Anyhow, so much hungry, sir. I should take a borota and chicken, sir. I should take tandoori, sir. I should take a fried rice, sir. Why you are giving the violence to your intestine, your liver? Take some fruits. This is the changes. Some helps I given. So Tiribula Churanam, you know that at night, those who have the constipation issues, Tiribula Churanam is good. I told you 2 times food is advisable. 1 time food is what cereals, sprouts, 1 small bowls of the cereal sprouts. Don't be conscious of the constipation issues. Some the jeera water, etc., you know that. Jeeraham in Tamil, we are jeera means what? Seer, like a balance. Exact is balance. Those who have the piles issue, in Tamil we are telling pidik karnai solluvaanga. Pidik karnai. Karunai. Karunai means patience. The name of the vegetable also patience. It's good for the intestine. Amla. Such a good for ulcer and liver and constipation. It's an antioxidant. Amla, you know that. Sir, I have the skin issues, sir. Allergy issues, sir. Early morning, if you go for 8 walk or early morning you go for walking, you just keep 1 amla here. Inside the mouth, 1 amla daily. There is no skin issues, no digestive issues. You know that already. You know that benefit of garlic issues. Really, it's good for that. And such a things as main thing I can tell that. Improve your immunity power, resistance power. For walking, either walking or yoga or food. I told you the cancer. What is the cancer? When you have the less immunity power, the cancer cell, it grow in your body. Exceptional is that. I talk about the average of the peoples. When you have the less immunity power, every day the cancer cell is grow in our body. But because of the immunity power, it burn the cancer cell. When the immunity power can decrease, the cancer cell is going to grow, my dear friends. Just keep in your mind, be aware of that. The rural peoples also nowadays suffer by cancer. That's why I'm always telling in these occasions. So, and another thing is, oil. What kind of oil we can use, sir? It's a sand-related lifestyle, my dear friends. In Tamil Nadu means groundnut. In Tamil Nadu, cultivating groundnut. So groundnut oil we should use. In Kerala means Kerala coconut. So that's why they are using coconut oil. North Indian, they cultivate the mustard. That's why they are using mustard oil. Why you change your lifestyle? So this is what I want to say, that now this is the development of yoga nowadays. The yoga, these are my PhD scholars. In hospital, they are doing some work, some as a therapist. Like allopathy doctors giving prescriptions, we are giving that. So thank you for, before I conclude that, 3 things I want to say that. Conscious about your sleep. Conscious about your sleep. Night sleep. Conscious about your walking or yoga. Ideal time is before breakfast. 5 minutes, sir. Only 5 minutes. How is possible, sir? Put that topu karnam in uttatasan. Enough, you can go for your after finish the path. Conscious about your sleep. Conscious about your practices, morning practices. and conscious about your dinner. Dinner is a vital role of a vital role of deciding your health. Then love your family members. It's very, very important that be conscious about your health. Thank you so much for giving a great opportunity of the Indian Institute of Information Technology organizing committee and authorities. So I tried, I don't know how much I pass the messages to you, I don't know, but anyhow, any mistakes or correction is there, I'm wholeheartedly accept that. What I learned from external some professors and some conference I shared with you. Wish you all the best for your bright and colorful future of your healthy life, your life and your family life. Thank you so much, sir. Any clarifications, kindly ask me. I'm ready to do that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your nice talk on stress management. And I think participants really liked your talk, and they are giving good wishes to you through the chat. Some questions few people asked in the chat. Let me ask you first, then we will go to the each and every participant. So first one is, they are asking, eating non-vegetarian is violence. So what do you say?
Sir, correct, sir. Actually, if you are taking non-vegetarian, sir, the digestive time is 72 hours, sir. The complete digestive time is 72 hours it will take, sir. First thing. Second thing, sir, non-vegetarian is different, sir. Sir, listen. My dear friends, listen. The broiler chicken living place is this only here. See, like the book only. This space only. This is 1 square feet. The 1 square feet is the whole life of the broiler chicken. How is the cell, the dangerous cell and the toxins are in the same places? That only we are taking. That's why I'm telling, in scientifically proved, sir, the complete digestion of the non-vegetarian is 72 hours. And what are the things you include, add in, when you make the non-vegetarian? What are the things you add with the meat? How much spicy, how much oil, which is good for our health? Actually, sir, I want to say one thing, sir. Pickle is good for our health. Pickle is good for our health, provided you can use the stone sand, real stone sand, and gingerly oil. That is, its quantity is less. It's good for our health, but we are not using such a things. That's why I'm telling, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay. Yeah, that is one question. One participant told that he listened to your talk by closing his eyes for almost 90% duration. So
Thanks, sir.
they are writing, sir, it is great session. Everybody appreciated your talk. Anybody, any questions? Anybody, anyone want to ask? You can unmute and you can ask. Sir, one question, like what is the advantage of taking bath in the morning, you told? I mean, is there any scientific reason behind that?
Sir, balance the temperature, sir.
Okay, so
Balance
okay.
the temperature, balance the dosha, sir. Sir, so much of house weaves is there, sir. I am always telling to house weaves, you finish the path and you go to the kitchen.
Okay.
After finish the path, any movement, it's like a exercises. It's like a exercises.
Yes.
Very simple, sir. Balance the
yeah.
temperature and balance the doshas. You check the systolic and diastolic blood pressure before pathing and after pathing. Check the temperature before pathing and after pathing, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Yes,
you,
sir.
sir. Some participants are
Good evening,
asking
sir.
for.
Can I
Please,
please?
Yeah. Please, with this.
What type of foods I can take at the breakfast and the dinner? What type
sir,
of food I can prefer?
sir, it depends upon the person's green, white chenna, black chenna, etc., etc., etc. So much as cereals, sprouts. Sometime you can take the raw coconut.
Okay. Okay.
Such a things is good for that. Sir, in chenna, green chenna, boiled green chenna, without adding any spicy,
Okay, sir.
along with the palm sugar,
Okay.
because it will balance the pitta. It balance the
Yeah.
pitta.
Okay, sir. One more thing also. The day-type walk. The may know that uh, efficient and output of my body or the eight-type walk.
This is
Eight-type
for,
walk.
it's fine, sir. This is for those who are not have the time, those who are not have the ground facilities.
Okay. Okay.
In house itself, you can go for the 8 walk in the hall itself. Some movement, sir, some physical movement in our whole throughout life. If you Sunday your holiday, you have the holiday, you can go to the ground.
Okay.
Yeah. Sir, one more question in the chat box. Sir, is egg is also unhealthy?
Sir,
Egg,
add.
egg, sir.
I can't get your, sir, please.
Sir, egg.
Egg,
Yeah.
egg also. Sir, what I suggest, I don't know that, but boiled you take, sir.
Yes,
Boiled egg you
boiled.
can
Yeah,
take, sir.
boiled egg you can take. Yeah, Muralidhar, you wrote one
But
question.
in dinner time, egg you should avoid, sir, please.
Okay, okay. Yeah, during lunch and breakfast.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
okay.
Sir, one thing I can tell, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Those who suffer by infertility, impotency,
Hmm.
or you believe or my friends are believe or not, what food is advisable now, sir? We are suggesting here. Morning breakfast is that in Tamil we are telling the palaya chorun solvang. Yesterday rice. The yesterday rice with the small onions, sir. With the rice, what today in evening we will make the rice and we can put some water on the rice. That same rice tomorrow morning both husband and wife will take with the small onion. There is no sabji,
Okay,
nothing without pickle, etc., etc. Only that yesterday rice and small onion. It's advisable for even ulcer patient also. Ulcer patient also.
okay, sir. Okay,
Sir,
sir.
fine.
Yeah. Uh, okay, Muralidhar.
Yeah, I have one question.
Yes,
Please.
yes.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, my name is Ashish. So nice talk. Even mostly I have lots of meetings every day. So sometimes I'm listening 1 hour session, sometimes 1.5 hour. But this session I was very curious and I was sitting here and just really interesting. So just common. I think everybody have some doubt. For example, if you have some very important work that you have to complete and you have very less time, so most of the times you try to keep away such type of work, like that you will feel fear, I should do later, I should do later. So avoiding the work, just how to handle such type of situations.
Sir, very good, sir. Small explanation I tell, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, Sanjit, sir, 10 days back, he confirmed me, Durai, sir, the 6th of October, you can come and give the lecture to that. Confirm. And I came, sir. Suppose, for example, suppose I suffered like by COVID issues, or today morning I met, practically I'm telling, met some accident or anything or something. The procession is going to stop. No, sir, my health is important. I have to go to doctor. Sanjit, sir, sorry, sir. I have the health issue, sir. I have to go to doctor, sir. Kindly arrange some other, or I arrange something. Somebody, sir. Sir, this is your health. If you should be very good manner. You should be very perfect. Then only you can do in the very good thing, sir. Just 1 or 2 months only you should adjust. After that, you change the whole lifestyle. Automatically, 5 o'clock you wake up. 10 o'clock you go to the bed. Sir, your health, your life. You have to take the decision. You have to take the risk for your own health. Sir, I can give a medicine. I can feed you, but you should eat. You only take that. Same thing I'm telling. This is my own health. I am the whole responsibility of my health. Anything is going to stop. If suppose Durai is not there, I am as a head of the department in yoga department. If Durai is not there, means someone going to occupy as a head. But my health, not only my health, Ashish sir, I am in my as a father duty, as a husband duty. Anyone going to give that? No one, sir. Even I am the right person as a father to my both daughters. I am the right person as a husband to my wife.
Actually, in normal times, everybody know exactly.
Sir, please.
Yeah. So generally in normal time, everybody know about it. But just in abnormal situations, sometimes I was looking for the techniques like you told, just rub it and just do it like that. Even some tricks types of things. If I was expecting like that.
Sir, chant mantras, sir. Chant mantras, sir. Any mantras, sir. One chart box I seen that I have the fearness, etc., etc. Chant any one mantras, sir. It balance the emotions, sir.
Right.
Absolutely, sir.
Yeah.
Chant any one
Yeah.
single mantra, sir.
No, actually, we are also like in education field. Not for me. Actually, generally, students sometimes assign the work. Like I'm guiding here some two PG student, and most of the times, like in country Sweden, you cannot force anybody.
Yes, sir.
So if somebody has a time, he will do work. Otherwise, you have to wait. It doesn't matter he is your student or like that. Culture quite different. So sometimes if have to motivate somebody like that, for that purpose, I was asking. Okay, nice. So nice suggestion. Yeah.
Sir, keep it up, sir. I think so. You changed it, definitely, sir.
Yeah, yeah, good.
Sir, there
Sure.
is one more question in the chat box.
Sir, please.
Sir, in a week we follow all good activities like maintaining diet, proper sleep, exercise. What we skip it for once in a week. I mean, I think every day they are doing all this. Maybe once in a week, one day they are skipping. So does it affect? That is what they are asking.
Correct only, sir.
Okay.
Any one day, Sunday, up to 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, you can sleep.
Hmm.
Nothing is nothing wrong, sir. Our lifestyle is like that only, sir. Everything changed, sir. Everything is, sorry to say, everything is a challengeable. Water is a challengeable. Current is a challengeable. Traffic is a challengeable. Everything is a pressurable. Rightly, Ashish sir said that everything is
Yeah.
pressurable.
Yes,
Drinking
yes.
water, from the drinking water, you're taking the food, making the dresses, etc., etc. Everything is a pressurable only. But we should balance, sir. But sleep, that's why I told you, sleeping is the first,
Important. Yeah.
very, very important, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Nothing wrong, sir. Any one day they can skip, but according to my lifestyle, I'm telling, sir, Sunday I'm sleep, but when I wake up after I instead of breakfast, I'm drinking ginger juice, sir. Raw ginger juice.
Ginger
And
juice,
after
yeah.
that, I take bath. Even 11:30 or 12 o'clock also, I practice yoga before the lunch, sir. Anyhow, I should do according to my convenient time, sir.
Yes. And one more person is asking, suppose we have some important works, then how can we skip these habits?
I
So
don't-
again, yeah, already you mentioned.
2 minutes you
That-
can do. 1 minute you can do, sir. After finish path, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. The police officials, I'm taking classes. I suggest to police officials. No time, no time. I know your lifestyle. But to finish the path, just 8 walk, 2 minutes, and this. Lifelong, no knee issues. Only 2 minutes. Sir, 1 minute also I'm not having. Don't tell like that.
Yeah, everybody is having time, sir. 2-3 minutes, 5 minutes of
Yes.
yoga. Yeah, they can
Enough.
do. Yeah. Yes. Any other questions? Anybody? Okay. Okay, then, sir. With this, I end this session, and thank you so much for accepting our request and delivering such a nice talk during this pandemic time also. And many participants, they really appreciated your talk, and they will do what are the suggestions you provided. And one more request is coming, sir. Can you share your PPT?
Sure, sir. I
Yeah.
shall.
Okay,
I'll
you
share to
just
you, sir.
yeah, I will forward it to them. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Okay, so dear participants, with this I end today's all the sessions, and we will meet tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you for attending. We will assemble tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you.